Welcome to Introduction to Information Technology Video 2. I am Hassan Saleh Murshid, IT engineer from Digital Networks. Watch, learn, and enjoy. Data and information. Data, it is the raw material like texts, numbers, measures, etc. And it is an apparent form that has no meaning. Information, it is the meanings that a person perceives within context that is obtained from processing a set of data. An example of data: channel, information, channel, networks, on, digital, YouTube, is, at, adjectional, field, technology. Here we see 12 words and letters that are apparent but which have no meaning. If this data is processed and collected, we obtain the information that has meaning and within context, and it becomes the 12 words and letters with following information. Digital networks channel on YouTube is adjectional at technology field. We can compare the process to the game of picture puzzle, which is made up of a large number of scattered and ordered pieces, and these appear to us as visible pieces without meaning, and we compare the data. These pieces, when we connect them, we compare them to processing. And when the process of connecting these pieces is completed, they appear to us in a clear and meaningful shape, and we compare that with information. Units of data measure. The units of measurement differ according to what we want to measure. So, if we want to know how much salt we have in the kitchen, then weigh it in the kilogram unit. And if we want to measure the distance between two locations, we have measurement in meters or kilometers. If we want to measure the size of screen, we have the inch for measurement. We have units of measure for both data that are stored or transmitted. We start with the units of measure for the volume of data stored. Units of measurement for the volume of stored data. Bit, it is 0 or 1. Abbreviation B. Byte, it is equal 8 bit. Abbreviation B. The difference between bit abbreviation and byte abbreviation, it is bit is the small b, byte is capital B. Kilobyte, it is equal 1024 byte. Key B. Megabyte, it is equal 1024 kilobyte. Abbreviation MB. Gigabyte, it is equal 1024 megabyte. Abbreviation GB. Terabyte, it is equal 1024 GB. Abbreviation TB. Petabyte, it is equal 1024 gigabyte. Abbreviation PB. Exabyte, it is equal 1024 PB. Abbreviation EB. Units of measurement for the volume of data to be transferred. Bit rate, bit per second 0 or 1. abbreviation BPS. Kilobit per second, 1000 bit, abbreviation kbps. Megabit per second, 1 million bit, abbreviation mbps. Gigabit per second, 1 billion bit, abbreviation gbps. Terabit per second, 1 trillion bit, abbreviation tbps. We will take 3 questions that more clearly explain units measurement for the data. How many bits are there in 5 bytes? The answer is 5 times 8 equals 40 bit. How many characters will it store in 1 kilobyte? The answer is 1024 characters. How many characters will be transmitted in 1 kilobit per second? The answer is 1000 bits divided by 8 equals 125 characters. Energy. It is the ability to cause change, and energy exists in many forms, such as electrical energy and kinetic energy. Electricity. It is a form energy that occurs naturally by lightning, and electricity can be produced by generator and transmitted through wires and storing them in batteries and using them to operate devices of various types. Signal. It is a time or especially variable quantity that can carry data and transmit information. An example of signals is all what we can hear and see. Signal types include analog and digital signals. Analog signal. It transmits data in continuous wave and has no fixed range. It changes over a period of time and is represented as a sine wave. An example of analog signal is the human voice. Digital signal. It transfers data in a separate waveform with a fixed range in the form of fixed numbers that do not change and are represented as square waves. An example of a digital signal used by digital devices. Electrical device. It converts electrical energy into another form of energy such as cooling, heating, and light. Examples: the freezer, the flashlight, the air conditioner. Electronic device. It uses electricity to control the movement of electron to conduct operations. Digital device. It is every electronic device that works with digital logic. Example: the computer, monitor, and scanner. Computer. It is an electronic device that can be programmed with data entry and processing, storing, and taking it out. Example: the personal computer and the smartphone. Here we have some pictures of devices. We have the following devices: screen, scanner, computer, smartphone, all of which are electronic devices. Screen and scanner, both of them are digital devices. The computer and the smartphone, both of them are computer devices. Why a smartphone is a computer? Because it is have ability to perform the following functions: data entry, such as phone numbers, messages, pictures, videos, and audio clips, as well as processing this bot data such as search, notification, addition, and deletion, as well as the ability to output this data on the smartphone screen. That's why the smartphone considered as a computer device, because he can do what computer can do it. And the computer which appears in front of us in the picture is the personal computer. It's also called the desktop computer, and it is a type of computers as we will see in video 3. As for the computer screen and the scanner in the pictures in front of us, they are both digital devices because they deal with binary digital logic, zeros and ones. As for air conditioner, the lamp, and the fridge, they all convert electrical energy into other energy, which makes them electrical devices. We have reached the end of this video, and I wish you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. I am Hassan Saleh Murshid in Digital Networks. See you later.